as you can see with up on all the seaside right now, you can see that over this over wharf right now there so. Yeah man. A nice wharf that all of the shipment come in Jamaican thing. So we can look back the street as far as you can see. Yeah man. Going on nice view of the place today I walk on. So the ocean side look. That are the causeway bridge over there so as you can see, yeah man. Nice causeway bridge that. You can see the whole atmosphere. Yeah man. And them for know say a soap pass out there. I will tell them so when we talk about content, we have to go find the content anyway. They forget them because I don't know so the people them want to see how the Jamaica look. Yeah man. So as you can see right now with the water so. Yeah man out there so man them come catch fish. So one of them Sunday I will come go now preview out there so. Come run off the thing look and see how the whole thing look. Yeah man as we say again. So you don't know the natural vibes TV. That's how the thing stay. That's how we give it to as you can see. Natural vibes, you know. Over wharf as well so we can dry him up look here and we can see what go on over there. Yeah man at the wharf that. Nice pretty wharf, you know. All of these things that we ship from all over the world. Right there so them come. And then you see me manufacture out in our country right now. And you can get it from Montego Bay, go anywhere, Chilani, Westmoreland. Yeah man, all the people up on the old causeway over there so do some fishing and all these things so you can see what go on. Yeah man, so Natural Vibes TV as we travel along, showing you the pretty ocean. Yeah man, and Jamaica nice and pretty. So you know, always can see what go on in our country, you see me? Yeah man. So you don't know where they are, all the vibes. I will just show you how the place look. Yeah man, car don't know from where they are get come out the road and go no content. Only some carnival content. So hope you go over there and take in the carnival. A lot of the video them kinda restricted. You know, so for the age group and things. So one of just go and support the thing. One I would say a father and son Natural Vibes TV. Yeah man. And that's how the things stay, you know. Yeah. So right now I'm there, I'm here whole of vibes. And today I don't know. Last night I never feel too good. So I want to go up on the road today go do some selling. I'm just telling myself, say watch you know. Yeah, you don't know whole heap of vibes and vibes. I'm just feel like to come walk the road and come see walk one on the beach. See if I can find some bird nest and can wash off some of the mouth them cause you know most time in life you try I have a whole heap of mouth there for you. Yeah man. So right now the last time I come I will do a video say cooking in Africa village. You don't know. Alright, that's how we come and do that video there. So you don't know. I'm going to see what I go on back and walk back through the set chat them again cause don't know Natural Vibes TV now we come out and we have fun. And you don't know me alone out here do it. And I beat a one boom, burn some ganja as usual and eat a one patty and all the vibes. So as you can see, a Natural Vibes TV and we're there in our bush and we're there on the seaside said way. Cause so the things stay as you can see. Yeah man, so go through the bush them and show them cause adventure style we I give them, you know. And we have to give them adventure style through the bush, you know. Yeah man. So as you can see, yeah, so me a major act come last time. And we run all a nice spot right here so. As you can see here so was with fireside. And we cook and take a wash off down here so. So you don't know. I will spot this last time we come steam up some fish and some bammy. Yeah man. Yeah man, and see the fireside there. I don't know Natural Vibes, well a nice vibes there so. I will cut and roll in back so. Anyway over there I said we want whole of vibes. Cause so the things stay. Yeah man. The whole ground that's how the ground stay. Hear a whole heap of siren over the wharf, you know. Yeah, man. As you can see, a whole heap of people are fishing. Yeah, man, that's how the things stay. So, Natural Vibes TV now with the out here, you know. With the out here for giving in a full colors, you know. So, we say, you don't know, we have a whole heap of video come up. So, for this week, just check out the whole of my adventure video, them. And as well, I say, yeah, and every time we have a perfect can give you a video where maybe you might like, I don't know why you will like, somebody else might not like. And every time we are going to have 100% bad top content for going, but we are trying also make sure you always get a content. Yeah, car. It's all about you guys getting something from the channel. You see me? Most time can't watch. You see me? Sometimes you start watch a video and it might not look interesting. But if you go and follow up the video, yeah, the video might be a very nice, interesting video. So today we're there again, as we say. Last time we come and we bust with adventure African cooking. Right, that's how we do it. So you don't know, so me and Major did come last time. And whole of vibes. Yeah, man. We're there, I said we are going to hold another vibes today again. Yeah. Still not find no bird nest yet. They are going to hunt. Said we, you see me? Yeah, man. As well you can sit down here, so. But the man them have them boat and them thing there, see me? Yeah. So, Natural Vibes TV, you know. So we are walk and hunt and look bird. On a buck up on a bird nest. We want to buck up on some wild dog and thing. Yeah, man, I don't know what they call them fruit there still, you see me? Yeah. We're in a different country. We have a different name for it and thing. Yeah. As we go along, don't know we're there. I have so full of pear wasp. But I didn't know wasp. Yeah, man, I watch them, the pear wasp. Wasp. Bite and sting, you know. Yeah, so Natural Vibes TV. And we are going to a whole place. Walk at the place, you see me? Yeah, man. Just go and enjoy the video with me. And just go and stay tuned with me. And go and walk with me. Yeah, man, we have good content for you guys. Yeah, man, this is the almond tree. Yeah. As you can see, that's the almond tree. Alright now. Seems like me I see a bird nest. But me I wonder if it built from a long time. Yeah. Cause most of Natural Vibes TV want go up there go check it out. They're way up there, so. So now go up there go check. As you can see up there. They're up in the tree. As you can see. Super up in the tree near the losing balance a while ago for drop. We are wonder if, see me? This is a duck ant's nest. Yeah, as you can see. See bird nest way up there, so. I wonder if it's still active. Or it's a long time nest. But anyway, soup boss I go up there go check it out. So as you can see. Yeah, man. Way up in the tree soup there. Yeah, man. As you can see the whole ground. Yeah, the whole ground. So I could go see what I go. Yeah, man, as you can see. Just check the bird nest up there. And my bird nest come like it did it for a good long time. So as I see, soup up in the tree. And I'll go down here now. So as you can watch me step down. Come back down. Yeah, that tree I come like a nice little house. You come upstairs and you come back down. Comfortable. Yeah, man. So as I say, I just check that bird nest there. As I can see it up there. And I go and feed. So at the first bird nest that I buck up on from morning. So kinda left my things them far. And yeah, man. And I left my things them far, so I don't know. You know, when you reach back where you think them there. See me? Yeah, man. Alright, you think them back, you see me? As always say, it's an adventure style where I get you today. And I don't know. Adventure style. I look in at them tree. Bird them love put them nest, cause I know say some maca tree them. Hard for go in there go take